Okay guys, so now that our oven is warmed up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, in this cup, what I'm gonna add is our garlic. Yum. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. To that, I'm gonna add olive oil, or you can choose to use avocado oil or even coconut oil. Lastly, I am adding black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. My favorite salt. I always say it. Okay, I'm going to give that a good stir. So basically, this is what it looks like. Can you see that? Focus. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a glove and I'm going to smother my broccoli with this and put it in the oven. For the written recipe, please visit www.ketoelite.us. I also include the macros. And don't forget to check out our merchandise at teespring.com/stores/Sonia Lee. So I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, and now we're gonna transfer this to our baking dish. I would use, if you don't have a disposable thingy, aluminum pan, then go ahead and use a baking dish that is lined either with aluminum foil or parchment paper. So I went ahead and just spread them out. The garlic is on there, and we're gonna go off to the oven for a few minutes. We're gonna come back to add the Parmesan cheese. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay.
What? Pops need you to call.
Okay, I'll do that right now. So, can you please do that for him? Parmesan cheese. Back to the oven. Just pulled it out the oven. Okay. Give it a good stir. Look at that. Now what I'm gonna do, hang on Jay. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit more on top, and I'm gonna put it in until it browns up a little bit. Right there. Okay. And then I'm gonna plate it and show you what it looks like.